Back to the forest for another Bloomburrow booster. Let's see what kind of woodland magic we can pull this time. Let's rip into some more magic. Oh, that's the perfect card for a lizard deck. Fountainport Bell again. Nice. And of course the lizard of the day. Sinister Monolith. Not a bad card at all. Helga? Nice. Such a cool card. I can totally see this in a commander deck. And that wraps up today's trip through the woods. Thanks for watching, and may the booster gods bless your next pull.